Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making kimchi stew. Now, when you buy kimchi or you make kimchi, a lot of times you have leftover and you wonder, what do I do with it? It's gone sour. So can it keep? Do you know that there are people in Korea or other places who make lots of kimchi and they have leftover? So one lady, she has a big container of kimchi and she's had it in the refrigerator for 1 year. So technically it never spoils because the salt keeps the vegetables from not spoiling. It ferments and gets super sour. So I have here some kimchi that I made, and it's been in the fridge probably for about 2 months, and it definitely has a sour taste. But I'm going to use it to make this kimchi stew. So first of all, I heat up a pot, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. And then I have here some belly pork, which is about half a pound. You can use more or less, or you can use other cuts of meat too. But Koreans like the fatty type of pork. So because it's kind of fat, I'm going to kind of cook it a little bit on medium heat and get out most of the grease and throw it out, and then I'm going to cook it so you don't have as much fat. Okay, so now I pour in about a tablespoon of oil. Swish it around. And kimchi stew is very popular. You can make it anytime, and it's very comforting and soothing to eat. So here we are. Put in the belly pork. Now I've drained the oil and the pork is nicely browned. And I'm going to put in 2 cups of the sour kimchi now. I've already cut it up in bite-sized pieces. Stir this up. Maybe for about 5 minutes. Also add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of minced ginger. And 1 tablespoon of the Korean chili powder. And half a cup of the kimchi juice. And add 2 cups of water or broth, and cook it for 10 minutes. Now the last step. I have here some firm tofu, a package that I've drained and I've cut into cubes. I just pour it in, and I have 2 stalks of green onions that I've slivered up, and I put it in. And just gently stir this up so you don't break up all the tofu. The kimchi stew is done. Now I'm going to taste it. I want to tell you that I still have some leftover kimchi that I can just keep on adding more sour kimchi to it. But what else can you do with it? You can make fried rice. You can put it in hamburger. You can put it in ramen. You can do all kinds of things with it. You can even make another soup. Now to taste it. Really yummy. I want to eat the whole bowl of stew. And the meat is perfectly cooked. The fat has been taken out. And the tofu is just right, not overcooked. Really yummy. And it's not very hot. So you can adjust the hotness by the amount of chili flakes that you put in. So please try this, and you'll see that you will like it. And it's good on a warm, cold, or a cold day, and everybody will like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.